Kid Rock is officially checked out of Malibu, but with a whimper rather than a bang. Hi, I'm Jessie Goddard for Hot Property. The singer-songwriter recently sold his compound for $9.5 million, $2.1 million less than he paid for it in 2006. Built in 2002 and recently updated, the 8,300 square foot house features hand-carved doors and ornate woodwork and ebony wood floors. Skylights and French doors create a light and airy vibe within the home. Common areas include a black and white mosaic foyer that opens to a formal living room, an adjacent dining room, and an open-plan kitchen. A gym, an office, and a sauna are among the amenities. A total of 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms includes a master suite with 2 walk-in closets and a glass-enclosed shower. Outdoors, lawns and lush landscaping surround the swimming pool and lounge area. Make sure to come back every Friday to check out the celebrity home sales and be sure to subscribe to receive updates on all our hot properties.